What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. We got the paint in. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna be spraying base coat. I'm not gonna reveal the pearl to y'all guys yet. It's the same video. Well, same day, different video. But anyways, we're gonna get to painting. We're gonna go ahead and spray this while this is still semi-wet. The sealer on the back ends of the doors, that's how we're gonna be spraying. Guys, if y'all new to this channel, it's dark outside, so I can't go show y'all the car, but y'all can go see all the videos of all my cars. I got cars parked all the way down there because I don't want to get paint on them. But anyways, so yes sir, if y'all watched the last video, y'all seen we knocked this out, and now we finna run some UreChem. This is the inner coat blender. This is the color. I'm not gonna show y'all yet though. Y'all gotta stay tuned if y'all want to see the color. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. I got my mixer right here. We're gonna run base coat, and then we might drop the pearls on this. So just to see how it looks, guys, and then if I don't like the color, it'll be easy to change the color because your door panel is gonna be right here. So I mean, you're never really gonna see it. So I'd rather do it this route. Y'all not gonna see me today because I'm not Silky Smooth Gang. I am looking super rough. Look, beard's going crazy. I need to line up. We'll probably get that knocked out tomorrow. But anyways, we're gonna get to mixing and we'll get ready to spray this base coat right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we done popped it open. Ooh wee. Yeah. That looks nasty. Alright, that's good enough, guys. We're gonna get ready we're gonna spray this on there. I'm not gonna show y'all the pearl on there. Y'all gotta subscribe. So the pearl is what's gonna make it a totally different color. So I'm not gonna show y'all the pearl yet. But we're gonna spray base coat tonight. We're gonna get this mixed up. That's gonna take a little while because I gotta grab whichever gun I'm gonna use, get it all mixed up, and then we'll start spraying.
I was later.
Just got done tacking that boy off, so we're getting ready to spray. Oh, and then I knocked the paint over, guys. Baby, you ready to see it?
In a bit.
You want a mask? You need a mask?
Yeah.
You can put a mask on. 2 masks. Alright guys, let me get my mask on. We'll set the air pressure. We're gonna be using, I almost forgot to show y'all, the SATA 5500 RP. I think I said that right. Let me make sure. 5500 RP, yep. I said it right. So we're gonna get all the air out of the container, and then we're gonna get ready to spray this base coat. it's a wrap. I'm not gonna lay the pearl on here. Guess what? You gotta subscribe for that. I had some spots that reacted funny because I was trying to hurry up and shoot it. You can kind of see it right there. But you'll never see this area. I just want to see how the color looks. And y'all already know the routine. You gotta subscribe to see the rest of this process happen. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.